Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return Challan. First, understand that a Challan is essentially a payment slip for your taxes. We'll cover the simple steps to accurately complete the required form, whether you choose to do it digitally or manually. Then, I'll show you the easiest ways to make your tax payment, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. For online filing, begin by navigating to the official tax department's e-payment portal. It's designed for user-friendliness. Next, select the appropriate Challan form. For income tax, this is typically Form 280. Be sure to accurately input your permanent account number, the relevant assessment year, and the exact tax amount due. This digital method is often the quickest and most convenient way to pay. If you prefer an offline approach, start by downloading and printing the correct Challan form from the tax department's website. Carefully fill in all your personal and financial details using a pen, ensuring legibility. Once completed, take the Challan along with your payment, which can be cash or a check, to any authorized bank branch. They will process your payment and provide a stamped counterfoil. After payment, it's crucial to confirm your transaction. If paid online, you'll receive an e-receipt. For offline payments, ensure you keep the stamped counterfoil from the bank. You can verify your payment status on the tax portal using the Challan identification number, or SIN, usually within a few days. This ensures your records are complete. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.